If I were a boy, I would turn up my phone, tell everyone it's broken, so they think that I was sleeping alone. I'd put myself first and make the rules as I go. That she'd be grateful, waiting for me to come home. To come home. If I were a boy, I think I could understand. How it feels to love a girl. I swear I'd be a better man. But you're just a boy, you don't understand how it feels to love a girl someday. You wish you were a better man. You don't listen to her, you don't care how it hurts. Until you lose the one you wanted, 'cause you're taking her for granted, and everything you had got destroyed. But you're just a boy. Thank you.
Thanks so much, Lenny.